Hello viewers, welcome to HMS Desk. Today, let's delve into the world of bone marrow transplantation. What is bone marrow transplantation? Bone marrow transplantation, also known as hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, is a life-saving procedure that involves replacing damaged or destroyed bone marrow with healthy stem cells. It is a remarkable medical procedure that can treat various blood disorders, cancers, and other conditions. Bone marrow is a spongy tissue found inside our bones that produces vital components of our blood, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. When the bone marrow becomes diseased or damaged, it can lead to life-threatening conditions such as leukemia, lymphoma, or aplastic anemia. During a bone marrow transplantation, healthy stem cells are collected from a compatible donor or from the patient's own body. These stem cells are then infused into the patient's bloodstream, where they travel to the bone marrow and start producing healthy blood cells. There are different types of bone marrow transplantation, including autologous transplantation, where the patient's own stem cells are used, and allogeneic transplantation, where stem cells are obtained from a matched donor. The type of transplantation depends on the specific condition and the availability of a suitable donor. Bone marrow transplantation requires a highly specialized medical team and state-of-the-art facilities. In India, we are proud to say that we have a network of renowned hematologists and hospitals that specialize in bone marrow transplantation. These hospitals are equipped with advanced technology and have a high success rate in performing complex transplantation procedures. Now, you may be wondering about the cost and why you should choose HMS Desk for your bone marrow transplantation needs. HMS Desk is a trusted medical tourism company and healthcare facilitator based in India. We have established partnerships with the best hematologists and hospitals, ensuring world-class treatment at an affordable cost. The cost of bone marrow transplantation in India is significantly lower compared to Western countries. On average, the cost can range from $40,000 US to $80,000 US, depending on the type of transplantation and hospital facilities. HMS Desk takes care of all the necessary arrangements for your medical journey. We assist with medical visas, provide airport transfers, arrange comfortable accommodations, and schedule appointments with experienced hematologists. We ensure that you receive personalized care and attention throughout your entire stay. Our dedicated team coordinates all necessary pre-transplantation tests, evaluations, and post-transplantation follow-up care, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. We prioritize your safety, well-being, and satisfaction. Additionally, India offers a rich cultural heritage and diverse landscapes, making it an ideal destination for medical tourism. You can combine your bone marrow transplantation journey with a memorable vacation, immersing yourself in the beauty and culture of this incredible country. So, if you or your loved ones are in need of a bone marrow transplantation, trust HMS Desk to make your medical journey easy, convenient, and cost-effective without compromising on the quality of services. To plan your bone marrow transplantation with HMS Desk, simply visit our website at hmsdesk.com or email us at support@hmsdesk.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel to stay updated with the latest healthcare information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to serving you on your journey to a healthier future through bone marrow transplantation.